Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group going to present about the importance of Haccp. First of all, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Ain Mardia binti Zulkarni and my matric number is 1006.
My name is Nur Farahida binti Kamaruzaman and my number matric is 1013.
My name is Siti Farina Alia binti Muhammad Fauzi. My matric number is 1800.
My name is Haccp binti Sangani. My number matric 1019.
The first is the introduction of Haccp. Haccp is a hazard and its critical control point. It's a system that provides method for monitoring and identifying food safety issues related to foodborne illness. The system is designed to identify and control potential problems before they occur. Due to that, Haccp system is important in food industry to make sure a safe food consumed and avoid any contamination. Haccp system have been used by the whole world and internationally recognized. Haccp is the most effective method in order to keep food safety and successfully minimize food waste. In this case, there are several important things why we should practice Haccp in our food industry. So the first importance of Haccp in food industry is to controlling major food risk. There are three ways of food risk can happen, which is for microbiological, chemical and physical. Haccp is able to controlling food risk by analysis the detail of the process of making the food from the raw material, the process of cooking and also the equipment that has been used by cooking. And lastly, the personnel, which is people that involved in the making of food. Next, Haccp also able to control the food contamination by controlling the food for having contamination. For example, the raw chicken should be stored at 5 Celsius and below. We also can control the time frame of the raw chicken to stay fresh, which is about 6 hours and below after the start to process. This shows that Haccp system actually can avoid the food contamination from happen.
Next, important Haccp can improve product quality. Based on the observation, we can divide the definition of quality in two categories. On one hand, quality is concerned with satisfying a set of predetermined specifications. On the other hand, quality can be all about satisfying your customers. So first, quality product have a quality management system. It is QMS, such as ISO 9001 is a set of internal rules that will determine how a business will create and deliver their products or service. So the Haccp system should be utilized in any industry operation where food handling methods, serving and process can prevent food contamination. For example, Bacillus cereus that is commonly found in soil, on vegetables, and in many raw food and processed handling foods. Bacillus cereus may occur when food are prepared and held without adequate refrigeration for several hours before serving. By identifying the cause of food contamination, we can prevent the main causes of food contamination: production, process, serving, and handling product. Quality control product is required for all food products to ensure the safety and well-being of consumers. For that reason, we have to improve consistency of users and encourage them to buy safe product and product quality assurance. Given that this product directly impact the health of consumers, it is crucial that the quality of product is documented and reviewed thoroughly at all stages of the production process.
Maintain the consistency of the production process. Mandatory become part of the critical control point in the Haccp system. The goal is identify protection risk at the stage of the production process. The action maintain consistency in the production process so that the quality of the production produce is guaranteed. Goods are delivered to customer. In this situation thanks in large part to Haccp, increasing the consistency of product processing. 1. Quality comes first. 2. Get naughty when quality is maintained. 3. The secret to success in any food sector business is consistency. 4. Consistency ensures that the delivered goods always comply with the set standard.
Cooking or cleaning. Always wash them again after touching a raw meat. If you take care your young children, wash your hands after and dispose of it purely carefully so that a bacteria cannot spread to other recipients or people. Do not place a cooking a meat or fish baking into the same plate or continually that help to the raw meats and cells, then a continually has be completely washed. When traveling, where a connect mentally is more likely it's only hot and fresh cooking foods. Drink water only if it was being boiled. Do not eat a raw vegetable or unplated fruits. Use a thermometer when cooking. Cook a beef to at the least 171 populated at least, and a fish to at least.
The solution that can be made is Haccp is a proactive plan developed to prevent and reduce the incidence of food safety hazard by monitoring and detecting potential problems throughout an entire process. Identification of hazard and application of corrective measures can be implemented immediately. Haccp system also enable companies to apply prevention and detection methods to their specific application, giving them the freedom to adopt new technique and technology more rapidly. A successful Haccp plan is built upon a firm commitment from upper management with well-trained and motivated employees actively involved in the process. And the Haccp system responsibility for ensuring food safety is now appropriately placed on the food manufacturer or distributor. Adoption of this plan will result in the reduced likelihood of hazard and ensure consumers that the product they consume are safe as science and technology allow.